gonna run to the hardware store, try to find us a pulley because we're going to be making a zip line. We're gonna be attempting to make a zip line.
No, we're making a fucking zip line.
Zip line.
That's tiny.
Alright, I'm saying they would sit on there like this. It fits on.
Alright guys, so we found a nice little pulley, kind of swivels, and then we got this little D-ring thing. We gonna figure something out, make it work. But now we're about to head back to the house and try to hook it up.
Went the long way around.
He's up in the tree.
Oh, there he is.
Apparently it rains every time we try to make a video.
At least it's long enough. You gonna need to come along.
Alright guys, so make sure the door's shut. Guys, so it's been a couple of days since I last recorded because it just started storming. It didn't stop. Rained all day yesterday, but we're about to go back there and see if we can finish this off. Alright, so right now, brother's got the spikes on. He's about to climb up the tree and put the cable up a little bit higher. See how it goes. Also, do not try this at home. Right,
Please.
brother? Right?
Please do not try this at home.
You already know what time it is. Pinch. I'm about to kind of test it out right quick.
That wasn't very much. I should have pushed you.
Alright. It worked! Sheesh. but we're about to make it even better. We're gonna go scrape up some more material, you know, just some old shit we got laying around, and then we're gonna make like a little platform, some more steps. But we're gonna make it to where we can tighten it up a little bit more and better run and get some more speed a little higher up too, so it won't be as low to the water as it is right now. But yeah, we're just gonna be making a small platform to go up here on the tree. You know, nothing too crazy, just as long as it holds us. Brother's about to send it off the platform.
Yeah.